Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use Semrush for paid ads. First, I want you to come here and head over to advertising. Click on this to get a drop down menu. Come here and click on advertising research. And here we're going to enter a domain and click on search. So whatever your competitor's domain is, for example, monday.com. So go ahead and put that in. That is your competitor. Click on a search right there. Once you come to this page, go ahead and click on add copies. And here you'll be able to review all their paid keywords and add copies, okay? Now you just want to go ahead and click on the keywords below the ads to expand all the trigger keywords. So for example, this one shows 36, right? So once I click on this, we will be able to see all the keywords and related data like the position, CPC, and trend for that ad. Now, to export the data, you just come here, click on export, and then you can click on Excel for all of them. So you just toggle that one on. Now, I want you to head over to the PPC keywords and at the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on that. All right, come here, enter your website domain, and then click on set up. Now, before uploading your keywords, make sure they are cleaned, remove negative keywords and group them, then upload your keywords list right here. You can click from CSV because that is how we exported it, right? And then you'll go ahead and configure your ad campaign. And after that, you just want to come here at the bottom. It says ad tracking. Go to position tracking tool. And then just go ahead and add your website and target keywords, right? Set up email reports, and you can launch your campaign. It's really that easy and simple.